Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be sharing with us 7 Ayurvedic herbs that you can use for your natural hair. Okay, so I just took off my hair right now. I took it on. I didn't even comb it yet, but I'm loving the outcome of my hair. My hair is growing, it's becoming thicker, longer. Okay, there's no dandruff. I've been carrying it for the past 1 week. No dandruff. My hair is not dry and all. So I'll be sharing with us 7 powerful Ayurvedic herbs that you can use on your hair. Okay, so for all these herbs, you can use them as can make hair good oil from it. You can make a mask. You can do a lot of things. So let's get started. Okay, guys. So the first Ayurvedic herb I'll be talking about is Zober Leaves or hibiscus flower. So this helps to thicken your hair, treats dandruff, prevents premature graying, and it prevents hair loss. So in this container here, you can see that I've already grounded it, and I'm still going to sieve it. So guys, I didn't buy this online. No, I'm someone that loves to go to look for the source of an ingredient and buy it in bulk. I bought 4 liters of this as one paint rubber of this for less than 2,000 naira, and online, a very small tiny pack can go for as much as 4,000 naira. Like, no, I can't do that. Like, seriously, I bought a pinch bar of this for 1,750 naira, and I can have like that's like almost 1,000% of what, like, the quantity would have ordered for online. So it's very good for your hair. Everything I'll be mentioning here thickens the hair, grows the hair, treats dandruff. Right. So the next one now, this is fenugreek. You can see the raw form, the raw seeds. That's what you see in the market. But this one here is the grounded form. You also need to sieve this out. So fenugreek treats dandruff, it prevents hair loss, and very importantly, it thickens the hair. But all these herbs are not things that you just use once and expect magic to happen. You have to use it consistently, like consistently. You have to use it all the time. Okay, so probably in my upcoming videos, I'll show us how to make hair growth oils, hair mask, how to use them, and all of that. Okay, but for today, I'm just showing us different types of Ayurvedic herbs I can use for your hair. Okay, meanwhile, you don't have to buy all of them because trust me, it's expensive. Yeah, it is. I bought a pack of this for about, I think, 2,000 naira. Yeah, but trust me, we are going to use this for a very long time. Like, I'm not talking about 5 months, probably a year, because they are quite much. But for me, it's a good form of investment. Okay, so yeah. So the next herb is henna. Yeah, this is henna. In Hausa, they use it's called lali. They use it to decorate their hands, all of that, to paint their body. Okay, so this is a very great Ayurvedic herb that also thickens the hair. It's a natural dye. It prevents premature growing of gray hair. It can help your hair to grow long and healthy. Okay, and it prevents hair loss. So this henna, guys, on Instagram, one small, very small thing like that goes for about 4,000 naira, like just 100 grams. And I bought 4 liters of this. That is paint rubber. That paint rubber, I bought it for 3,000 naira. Guys, oh my god, this is a great investment. Like, I'm so excited. But in this raw form, I'll still need to sieve out the particles. Okay, so this is very great. It's great for making oils, hair growth oil, mask, and the rest. But I'll show us how to do that later. Now, the next herb here is my rosemary leaves. You can see the raw form in the picture, and the one in the container is the grounded form. Okay, so rosemary helps thicken your hair. It's good for hair growth, and it prevents thinning of hair. Yes, it's very good. So I bought a small pack for about 1,000 naira. But trust me, we can't finish this in the next 6 months. Trust me. Yes, it's a very good investment. Okay, so rosemary is very good. You can make oil egg goat oil from this, you can do mask, you can do hair rings, a lot. And thing is, you can combine 2 or 3 or more of these herbs together to do wonders on your hair, trust me. Okay, so but like I said earlier on, you don't have to buy everything. Even if you just one you can afford, or just 2 of them, and you can be very consistent, you will see massive like difference in your hair. But you just have to be patient. That's the word, you have to be patient, guys. The next herb is called neem plants, but if you go to the market, it's called dogoyaro. If you tell an Hausa person neem, they might not know it. Okay, so it's called dogoyaro. So this it conditions your scalp, it treats your hair follicles, it reduces dandruff. Now the easiest place for you to get all these ingredients, okay, anywhere you are in Nigeria, look for a big market where you have Hausa people. Yes, look for a very big one where you have Hausa people. Go there and mention all these names, they know it. Tell them fenugreek, tell them rosemary leaf, tell them dogoyaro, they know all these names. Tell them amla, they know all these names. But I've told you the secret. Look for a market where you have Hausa people. Like in Lagos, and I stay in Lagos, I went to Agege market, and there's this part of the market where you have like the mosque. There are lots of Hausa people there, they sell all these things, they're like very easy. Okay, now to the next one. This is amla. Jesus Christ, I searched for this herb like crazy, I didn't see it, and I bought this small pack. It's not full though, just half of the nylon. I bought this for 2,800 naira. Like guys, I couldn't cry because, well, I cannot find it, so I have to make do what is available, because this amla is a very very important herb for your hair. Yeah, very good. It strengthens your scalp, stimulates hair growth, it's a thickener, makes your hair thick, and it's great for mixing with other herbs. Okay, you know, there are some herbs that you cannot just mix them alone, you have to mix them with some other thing. So like this amla is very very good. It helps to, you know, grow your hair long, thick, moisturize. It does a lot of things. So I didn't have a choice, I had to buy it. I ordered from one vendor on Instagram. Okay, so what will I do now? For now I cannot find the source. You know, but the moment I find it, trust me, I will go and buy in bulk, which will be way cheaper. Okay, and the last but not the least for today is aloe vera powder. Yeah, this is super, like you cannot afford not to use this. Okay, so I have an aloe vera plant in the house, but if I'm to be using it the way I want to be using it, I will finish it. So I had to go for the powder. I bought this for 3,800 naira. Now guys, the pack is not full, it's just like halfway or 1/3 of the pack. That's how expensive it is. But for now, I haven't gotten, let me say, I'm not seeing where I can buy this in bulk in the market. Trust me, I will look for it because I cannot keep spending 4,000 naira to buy this small thing, you know. But it's a very very important Ayurvedic herb you need in your hair regimen. Very important. This aloe vera, the amla, then you can get either of hibiscus, which is the Zober Leaves, or henna. But all of them are very very important, because this year we want to grow long, healthy, thick hair. And you know, now for those of us that know me, I'm a teacher. I like to teach people. Like I always like sharing knowledge. So I want as many people as possible to join in this challenge. So like I said, you don't have to buy all of them, honestly. Even if it's just 1 or 2 you can get, just make sure you are very consistent with the use. So as for how to use it and all of that will be in a separate video, so I don't bore you guys with long lengthy videos. Yeah, so I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. But if you have probably lots of aloe vera plants around you, you might not buy this powder, because this powder is just the dried version of the aloe vera leaves and then pounded. That's all, nothing serious. So if you have the plant, you might not bother with the powder. But for me, like I'll be using like almost every week, every 2 weeks. That plant will not work for me. It will not work. Yes. So I'm showing us again. Look at the small pack. It's not full. It's like halfway. 3,800 naira. It is well low. Anyways, this year I really want to invest in my hair and my daughter's hair. Okay, and I wish everyone too would do that, okay, so that we can all be proud of our long, kinky, natural hair. So I hope you guys have learned a lot. So today, okay, just to recap, I've shown us 7 Ayurvedic herbs that will help you to grow long, thick, healthy hair. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what you would like me to do next in my next video. Do you want to learn hair growth oil, or how to do mask, or how to do what's it called again, gloss? There are lots and lots of things you can do with these herbs, okay? And then the good part of it is that you are dealing with natural herbs, so there's no chemical, there's nothing terrible like about using it. The only thing is you also need to take caution when you are using some of these things. When you're doing Ayurvedic herbs, after the application you have to moisturize your hair. That's another topic for another day. Okay guys, so here I already lose my hair again tomorrow, okay, and I'm getting set for my wash day. So do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.